In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front fender liner on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a trim tool, remove the clips. There's one on the bottom, one coming up the side. Remove the Phillips head screws for the mud flap. There's going to be one more on bottom. Remove the mud flap. We're going to pull the inner fender liner down in the middle. There should be 2 10mm bolts for the front fender liner under the front bumper. One will be located at the corner right here. Ours is missing. And there should also be one right up here that holds the front fender liner to the bumper. Ours just spins and the front fender liner is actually separated from it. There should also be one clip right here that you'll remove. Ours is missing. Once you've removed the 2 bolts and the clip, pull the fender liner down, and then remove the fender liner from the car. Install the fender liner into the vehicle. Tuck it in to the front bumper. And we're going to go around and get some of our clips started. Go around and install all the clips into the front fender liner. Install the clip into the front. If you have a 10mm to install it here. And you should also have one more right here. Install the splash guard and get the bolts started. And go around and snug them down. And then one on bottom. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the lug nuts down. Torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.